How to make homemade Moroccan rice with tuna salad, an affordable summer dish. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, where we share amazing recipes and culinary adventures from around the world. Today, we're excited to share a fresh and affordable summer dish that's perfect for any occasion, Moroccan rice with tuna salad. This recipe is easy to make, packed with flavor, and ideal for beginners. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious multi-recipes and cookery content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated. First, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need for this refreshing dish. Rice. 1 cup basmati rice. 2 cups water. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon salt. Tuna salad. 1 can of tuna in water, drained. Half cup cherry tomatoes, halved. 1/4 cup red onion, finely chopped. 1/4 cup cucumber, diced. 1/4 cup green olives, sliced. 1/4 cup parsley, chopped. 1/4 cup cilantro, chopped. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Salt and pepper, to taste. Spices. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon paprika. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Alright, let's get cooking. Preparation. Step 1, cook the rice. 1. Rinse the rice. Start by rinsing the basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This will remove excess starch and prevent the rice from becoming sticky. 2. Cook the rice. In a medium saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the rinsed rice, olive oil, and salt. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pan, and let the rice simmer for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until the water is absorbed and the rice is tender. 3. Fluff the rice. Once the rice is cooked, remove it from the heat and let it sit covered for 5 minutes. Fluff the rice with a fork, and set it aside to cool slightly. Step 2, prepare the tuna salad. 1. Mix the salad ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine the drained tuna, cherry tomatoes, red onion, cucumber, green olives, parsley, and cilantro. Mix well. 2. Season the salad. Add the lemon juice and olive oil to the bowl. Season with cumin, paprika, turmeric, salt, and pepper. Toss everything together until well combined. Step 3, combine and serve. 1. Combine the rice and salad. Add the cooked rice to the mixing bowl with the tuna salad. Gently toss everything together, ensuring the rice is evenly mixed with the salad ingredients. 2. Taste and adjust seasoning. Taste the dish and adjust the seasoning as needed. Add more salt, pepper, or lemon juice if desired. 3. Serve. Transfer the Moroccan rice with tuna salad to a serving platter or individual bowls. Garnish with additional fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro for a vibrant finish. And there you have it. A delicious and affordable summer dish that's perfect for any occasion. Moroccan rice with tuna salad is a great way to enjoy the flavors of Morocco in a healthy and refreshing way. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this recipe for homemade Moroccan rice with tuna salad. It's a simple yet flavorful dish that's perfect for summer and easy enough for beginners to make. Remember to subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more amazing recipes and culinary adventures. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. If you decide to give this recipe a try, let us know how it turned out in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Stay tuned for more exciting recipes and cookery tips. Until next time, happy cooking!